Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to install the Visual Studio into your local machine, and apart from that .NET SDK we have installed, and also we have installed the SQL Server Management Studio for connecting your application into the database server. Okay, so today we are going to dive into something exciting, our very first hands-on project in ASP.NET. We will be creating a simple Hello World application. This is a classic beginner's project, but it is incredibly important because it will give you the practical understanding of how ASP.NET works. You will see how to set up a new ASP.NET project, understand the basic structure of ASP.NET application, and finally write and run your first piece of ASP.NET code. So let's get started. To get started, first you have to open the Visual Studio. Okay, by click on Start button, type the Visual. Okay, you have that see Visual Studio code. Click on this, it will this open. Now click on the file, click on the new, click on project, click on project. Okay, after creating project, make sure you have click on this Visual C Sharp. Okay, there are many options. You can see Visual Basic, Visual C Sharp, Visual C++, F Sharp. Okay, SQL Server, JavaScript, other projects type. Okay, but in this video we will going to create our application in C Sharp code. So click on Visual C Sharp, expand it, and click on the web, and click on the ASP.NET MVC4 web application. Okay, we have to write the name of our application. I will give the name, that is hello world application. Okay, the location can be on your priority. I will be remain as it is. Click on the OK. After clicking OK, you can see the one pop-up is there, project template. Select a template. Okay, you have to select any template, whether it's empty, basics, internet application, mobile application, web API. We will see this other types in the next upcoming videos. For today we will be creating the empty project. View engine should be your razor. Okay, click on OK. It will take some time to create your project, as we have click on MVC though. So in it will create our three folders like controller, model, views, and apart from that you can see the web config file over here. In the upcoming videos we will create our application in with the database. Okay, but today we will just create only sample hello world application. You can see the app start there, filter config.cs, root config, web API config. For today we need root config. As you can see there, controller, home, action index. Okay, to create our application we have to create one controller. To create the controller you have to right click on the controller folder, click on add, click on controller. Make sure the controller name suffix should be controller and prefix should be anything. So I am creating a home controller over here. Template should be my empty MVC controller. I will click on add button. You can see here using, okay, using system collection generic, system.linq, system.web, system.web.mvc, and the namespace should be your application name.controller, home controller. It is type of controller file. Okay, in the controller file you can see here action result is there. Okay, the name is index. It will return a view of what, of action of index view. Okay, but now there is no index view found, so you have to create the index view first. To create, right click on this index, click on add view. View name should be index, view engine should be razor. click on add button. Okay, after clicking add button, you can see the structure, how it is created inside the folder. Okay, as our controller name is home controller, action name is index. Okay, this is view, main view folder, your controller name home controller, and your action is index. Okay, let's suppose you have another controller, like you have another action result inside the same control, like action result. Okay. You have create index. Let's say I will create the about page. About, I will, okay, and I want to create the about page. You have to return the view, return return view. Okay, open close bracket, go to the add view. View name should be about, click on add. Okay, now see, these are two views lie on the same controller, that's why it is creating inside the home. Okay, if you create the another controller name, let's say shopping controller, and you have created the same index and about page over there, so inside the view you can see one more folder will be there, that is shopping. Inside that index page will be created. Okay, so now in this index page we will be write something, and we will test whether it is running or not. So first we will write in h1 tag is hello world, hello world application. Okay, we can check this. On the upper side you can see a run button. Inside you can set your own default browser. I'm using the Chrome, that's why the Google Chrome is selected. You can check any of the, that's Firefox, Internet Explorer. Okay, so I will click on this button, make sure it is on the debug mode. Okay, click on the Google Chrome. So we will wait few minutes to get it load first. So hello world application is printed on the blank page. Okay, let's try to print some another text. I will create some text in h2, that is thanks for watching video. Control S, refresh it. Okay, after refreshing you can see thanks for watching this video, it's printed. Okay, now, so today in this video we have seen how to make our first basic application in ASP.NET, and in next video series we will see there's some important topics in ASP.NET. Till then, bye and thanks for the watching this video.